y'all, I'm really sitting here like shocked at my own self that I'm really about to just use one product for my wash and go. Like that's a big deal for me because I do not play about my wash and goes. So I'm a little nervous how this is gonna turn out because this is the first for me, just using one product. And the product is a mousse. I'm using a mousse. And the mousse that I am trying is by Camille Rose. It's their spike honey mousse. And also it states that this is a 4-in-1 styler. It states on the bag to apply a generous amount onto freshly washed and conditioned strands. Style hair and allow to fully dry before fluffing. All right, so my hair is like freshly washed. This is how it looks with not any product. This is like my curl pattern without any product. It's the fact that I'm really nervous of doing this, but let's try it. So I'm gonna start with maybe 2 pumps. It has like a strong scent, but it doesn't. It's not. It doesn't really bother me. I can tolerate it. Okay, I'm just gonna rake it in. A little bit more. So far I'm not complaining of it. We'll just see once my hair is dry if it's something that's gonna be a new staple for me. I would say though that my hair feels moisturized, and while putting it through my hair. So that's a plus. I would say like I don't think you need a lot. Like a little goes far with this. And I can tell that it coats my hair really well. I like the shine. But I mean, I say that now, but we gotta see how this, after it dries, how my hair is looking, because I don't know. Let's see if it's gonna prove me wrong. But so far, I'm liking it. Make sure I am getting this section, because for some reason, like my middle part of, like the middle of my head, it gets it tends to be like the driest part of my hair, so I have to like give it more love. Okay, so now that I have put the mousse throughout my hair, we're gonna let it air dry and we'll see how this turned out. So I'll see you in the next clip. But can we get into these curls? Like, look at the look at the definition. No words. That I have so much volume. Really, dog? If you want to see videos like this plus more, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification for the next time I upload. Bye.